Hey guys, I just received this keyboard and just wanted to do a quick unbox to show you what it looks like. So I've ordered the red key and yeah, I think this is, I'm going to use one hand to open this. Oh, before that, let me flip it over. This is what it looks like at the back. Oops, here's the key. This is what the cover looks like. And then, let's see what we got here. Okay. I think these are stickers. Quick guide. See what's in the box. What is this? It might just be interesting. See this? Okay. So these are the rubber stick at the end, just to, prevent it from sliding, and then they got some extra keys. Maybe I'll test it out later. And here's your wireless dongle. And here, if you have, there's more foot, what is this one? I have no idea. Alt and Alt. Oh, because currently it has a Mac key on here. So I'm doing it with one hand, so just bear with me. Ooh. So on window, it would be window key, Alt, Control, Alt, window, and window, I think. I'll look at it in a bit. But this is how it looks. It sounds like. Actually, it's pretty quiet. This is the red keyboard. I mean, the red key. I don't know what this open is. Oh, this thing is just a plastic seal. Earlier they gave you these, just show you earlier. These are a rubber replacement. And I don't know, I haven't tested out yet, so this is the first time I opened it, and I'm gonna have to play around with it and then get back to you. So far, I can't wait to use it, to be honest. Stay tuned.